YouTubers, I got Captain D. And I'm trying to fix this. I gotta get back to work. End up having to wait for my food at the Captain D's, but they gave me some cheesecake for the wait. But I'm still be late. But yeah. Anyway, got a strap. I didn't get any sauces, but I have fries and corn. I got the sampler. These fries are cold. want to do soon. I got another box of crab legs. I have some more corn and potatoes. And I still got some more sausage. And still got some beloved sauce. And mukbang that, y'all. Because it's been ever since last Sunday. It's Sunday today. Since I had missing a whole stick. Just missing the stick. It's kind of hot holding it like this. I mean, she really just went in there and hurried and do it together. Get stuck in your tape. Put the rest of my food out. But before I get out of here, I'm gonna try to eat the cheesecake because this is something I definitely don't want to leave in the car. Oh my gosh, guys, I did not realize how many calories one serving of cheesecake had in it. This got 420 calories in it. And total carbohydrates is 36 grams, that's 13%. 28 grams of fat. Saturated fat, 14 grams. Added sugar, 40%. 40%. And I don't even want to know how many. Oh, yeah, that's right. It was like 14 to 2,000 calories. And the meal by itself. I hadn't finished the whole thing, so. That's not even including the drink. I'm gonna slow it down, you guys. Yeah, it's already starting to get kind of warm. Yeah, one of these. Really creamy and delicious. I'm gonna crack my windows. I got my mouth juicy, y'all. I'm gonna crack my windows so it won't be hot when I come back out here when I get off work. This is gonna be one of my longest mukbangs. I'm gonna try to do another burp contest video because somebody requested that. So I'm gonna try to do one with my niece. They were like with new people, but unfortunately I don't know that many people. And the one other person that I do know, I don't know if she'd want to do it. All right. All right. Got one more bite left. And I'm gonna cut this camera off. I feel like I got a burp again. That is not a real burp. I'm so full, you guys. I'm really full. So if you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, become one of the winners there. If I could edit it out, I could. Let me get up out of here because I'm already late. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.